In the swirling depths of our oceans, there exists a creature whose very name evokes both awe and apprehension: the shark. Today, we delve into the formidable world of these apex predators and uncover what makes them not only feared, but also fundamental to maintaining the intricate balance of marine ecosystems. Sharks have roamed the seas for over 400 million years, a testament to their evolutionary prowess. They occupy the top of the food chain, ensuring the health and diversity of marine life. But what exactly makes sharks such efficient predators? It begins with their anatomical and sensory adaptations. Let's start with their unique anatomy. Sharks possess streamlined bodies designed for swift and agile swimming, propelled by their powerful tails. Unlike most fish, their skeletons are made of cartilage, rendering them lighter and more flexible. This adaptability enables them to chase down prey with remarkable speed and finesse. Their teeth, arguably their most fearsome feature, are no less impressive. Continuously replaced throughout their lifetimes, shark teeth are specific to their diets. Great white sharks, for instance, have serrated teeth perfect for slicing through flesh, while the enormous filter-feeding whale shark possesses tiny teeth designed for a different feeding strategy. Each species' dental uniqueness is a testament to its specialized predatory role. However, it's not just their physical prowess that grants sharks their apex status. Sharks possess acute senses, honed to detect the faintest traces of prey. Among the most remarkable are their electroreceptors, the ampullae of Lorenzini. These allow them to perceive minute electrical signals emitted by potential prey, an invaluable tool for hunting in murky waters or under the cover of darkness. Their sense of smell is equally remarkable. A shark can detect a single drop of blood in an Olympic-sized swimming pool. This hypersensitive olfactory system is crucial to locating prey across vast ocean distances, helping maintain their role as top predators. But why are these characteristics essential for ocean ecosystems? Sharks help regulate species populations, preventing any single species from overwhelming an ecosystem. By preying on the sick and weak, they ensure the health of fish populations, thereby promoting greater diversity. This dynamic balance contributes to the vibrancy and productivity of coral reefs and oceanic environments, which in turn supports numerous other marine organisms. Moreover, recent research has highlighted sharks' role in mitigating climate change. By managing populations of smaller predators and herbivores, they influence the health of seagrasses and marine plants that absorb significant amounts of carbon dioxide. In this way, sharks contribute indirectly to the sequestration of carbon, underscoring their ecological importance beyond predation. However, despite their critical role, shark populations are under immense threat. Overfishing, habitat destruction, and climate change have led to significant declines. An estimated 100 million sharks are killed each year, mainly for their fins, disrupting their vital ecological function. The loss of these apex predators could unravel marine ecosystems, leading to unforeseen and potentially irreversible impacts. In conclusion, sharks represent a fascinating blend of biological marvel and ecological necessity. Their superior adaptations underscore their role as apex predators, vital to the health of ocean ecosystems. As we unveil the intricate ways in which they sustain marine life, it becomes increasingly clear that they need protection. Through understanding and conservation, we can ensure that these majestic creatures continue to glide through our oceans, guardians of one of the Earth's most precious and mysterious realms. In protecting sharks, we protect the health and future of the planet's blue heart.